Do you feel like something is blocking your ability to manifest your dreams? Maybe it feels like no matter how hard you try, your desires remain just out of reach. Chances are the culprit is limiting beliefs, those hidden thoughts that hold you back. But don't worry, today I'll show you how to reprogram your mind for manifestation and overcome those beliefs once and for all. First, let's break down what limiting beliefs are. These are the subconscious thoughts that tell you, I'm not good enough, I don't deserve success, or even it's impossible to achieve that goal. They're like invisible barriers shaping your reality based on fear and doubt rather than abundance and possibility. Here's the key. Manifestation begins in the mind. If your subconscious is filled with limiting beliefs, it sends conflicting signals to the universe. You might want abundance, but your thoughts keep telling you it's not possible. This creates resistance. Now let's talk about how to overcome these beliefs and reprogram your mind for success. Here are 3 powerful steps. Start by asking yourself, what beliefs are holding me back? Write them down. For example, if you want financial freedom, but deep down you believe money is hard to come by, that's a belief to address. Once you've identified a limiting belief, ask yourself, is this true? More often than not, it's just a story you've been told or an experience you've internalized. Replace it with an empowering thought, like, I attract wealth effortlessly because I am worthy. Repetition is key. Use affirmations, visualization, and gratitude practices daily to overwrite those old beliefs. When your mind starts to believe, your energy aligns and the universe responds. Here's the truth. Your thoughts shape your reality. By identifying, challenging, and rewiring limiting beliefs, you open the door to endless possibilities. The universe is ready to give you everything you desire. You just need to align with it. Are you ready to reprogram your mind and manifest the life of your dreams? Start small, stay consistent, and watch how your reality transforms. If this video resonated with you, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more manifestation tips. See you next time. And click the link below this video for more help with manifesting.